Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and pairing mode, replace batteries or fully charge the keyboard, then activate its Bluetooth pairing button so it broadcasts. On your computer or tablet, open Bluetooth settings and enable visibility. This lets the devices find each other. If you previously paired the keyboard, remove or forget the old entry to avoid conflicts. Once done, keep the keyboard within 3-5 meters and free from metal obstructions, so the radio signals can connect reliably. Next, select the keyboard from your host's Bluetooth list and follow any on-screen prompts. Type the PIN or tap Accept. That completes the handshake. If pairing fails, open Device Manager or Bluetooth settings and update or reinstall drivers because outdated drivers commonly block connections. Make sure power management doesn't disable the adapter. To narrow the problem, try pairing the keyboard to a phone or alternate computer. If it works there, the issue is with the original host's settings or drivers rather than the key. Finalize by restarting both the keyboard and your host. Reattempt the pairing sequence step by step so you don't miss prompts. If the keyboard still won't connect, perform the keyboard's factory reset to clear any stale pairing info. Consult the manual for the reset button sequence. If problems persist, swap batteries or try a different Bluetooth adapter on the host. This isolates hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, update the host's OS and Bluetooth firmware, because compatibility fixes often resolve stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.